Living with a wet basement that leaks can be miserable. Having nearly half of your home's square footage totally unusable just because it gets wet when it rains. Cleaning up water and dealing with the results, such as mold, mildew, and rotting construction materials, is tiring and expensive. Not only is this inconvenient, it will decrease the value of your home, cause you to have problems if you try and sell your home, and most importantly, there are health hazards that are associated with a wet basement. Your home is your largest investment, and we all have to protect our investments. When it comes to avoiding water issues, good home maintenance means maintaining positive drainage around the home so that water flows away rather than soaking in, making sure your gutters are in good working condition and the basement windows do not leak. Unfortunately, even with all these precautions, basements can still leak from groundwater. When it rains or snow melts, water soaks into the soil and can find gravel veins which can direct it towards your home. This is called capillary action. It can also cause the water table to rise, forcing water up through the basement floor, known as hydrostatic pressure. Water can also saturate the soil adjacent to the foundation wall. This is the area that was excavated during construction. This soil never packs the way it was, which allows easy passage for water to flow. Block wall and poured walls are susceptible to water intrusion. When choosing a waterproofing system, there are a few main items to look for. Does it lower the water table for a completely dry floor? Will it drain the walls? Will the system keep soil gases from free-flowing into the living area, causing mold and elevated radon levels? Most of the common waterproofing systems used today do not effectively solve these issues. Unfortunately for the homeowner, most systems are being designed for easy installation and not for how well they perform. Here, we will show you a few of these systems and how they work. The channel drain system uses a shallow channel to gather water as it rises, due to hydrostatic pressure. This system does not drain water from the walls or lower the water table far enough to prevent wicking, which causes damp floors. Next, we will show you the cove molding system. This system is glued to the floor at the base of the wall. This system only drains water from the wall but does not remove the water from the first block, which is set below the floor line. This system also does not lower the water table below the floor. The cove system can also become a mold hazard because water is allowed to sit in a cool, damp area, which is where organic material can collect, allowing mold to flourish. This can be especially dangerous because this system can easily be exposed to the living area in your home. The above footing channel drain can be very effective at draining the water from the walls, but does almost nothing for lowering the water table, which can leave the homeowner with a wet, damp floor, allowing the contractor to sell the homeowner large and very expensive dehumidification systems. A study by the University of Minnesota concluded that a dehumidification system may cause greater damage. Installing this product can cause structural issues as well. Oftentimes, there is not enough concrete above the footing to cover the channel, so the contractor will chisel part of the footing away to make room for the drain system, which can cause the footing to become weak. The channel system also allows soil gases to free flow into the living area because it leaves an open space between the floor and the wall. The interior drain tile system has been the workhorse of the industry. This system effectively lowers the water table below the floor and drains the water from the walls. If this system has a drawback, it is that most contractors that use it do not seal the system. An open drain groove is left and an open sump is installed. Today more than ever, we are becoming increasingly aware of the dangers associated with mold and radon. Of the 4 systems we have just demonstrated for you, only 2 of them drain the water from the walls completely, and only 1 drains the water and lowers the water table. But none of these systems do anything to improve the air quality in your home. The designers of the SafeBasement waterproofing system saw the need to not only dry the basement without causing structural damage, but to leave the home free from dangerous soil gases. By drawing from over 70 years combined experience in the waterproofing industry and consulting with engineers and professors, they developed a system that solves all of these important issues. This system goes far and beyond all the others we have just shown you. Our goal with this system was to give the homeowner not only a dry basement, but a safe basement. The SafeBasement waterproofing system lowers the water table 12 inches below the surface of the floor, which is the most in the industry. By drying the soil below the floor, this helps in relieving the hydrostatic pressure and stops any wicking action, giving you a completely dry floor. The SafeBasement system also drains the water from the blocks at the base of the wall. This system works just as well with a poured wall. This is all done without compromising the structure of the footing or bowing the walls, which can happen with an exterior drain tile system. The SafeBasement waterproofing system also has radon ports built right in and works in conjunction with radon mitigation systems. The SafeBasement waterproofing system is a sealed system which minimizes any soil gases from flowing into the home. We guarantee that by using this system, the radon levels in your home will not increase.